हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू स्टडी विद यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशनल वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को डीएवी क्लास 8 इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस चैप्टर 1 टेंसेस का सॉल्यूशन देने वाला हूं। स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले मैंने इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के सारे चैप्टर्स के एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड सॉल्यूशन वीडियोस अपलोड कर दिए हैं। यदि आपने वीडियोस को नहीं देखा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मैंने लिंक दे दिया प्लेलिस्ट का, आप लोग उन वीडियोस को जरूर देख लीजिएगा और आप लोग अदर सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोस को भी जरूर देख लीजिएगा। मैंने हर एक सब्जेक्ट का सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट बनाया है। चलिए हम लोग शुरू करते हैं। Rewrite the following passage using the simple present tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Yoga is a great stress buster. It helps in improving concentration. It not only ensures discipline but also teaches how to handle stress levels. It trains us to channelize surplus energy in a positive manner. Yoga acts as a magic healer. It unravels many hidden qualities that we possess. See, imagine yourself to be a TV news reporter. You have been asked to cover a live festival program going in a city. Given below is a picture of festival. Observe the picture and write what various people are doing. One example has been done for you. देखिए, welcome to the live telecast of City Carnival. On your screen, you can see the live coverage of the festival. The mayor is delivering his speech and his bodyguards are keeping an eye on the crowd. आगे आप लोग स्टूडेंट्स देख लीजिए। यहाँ पे देखिए एक रिमेंबर दिया गया, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस इज यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग अराउंड एट द टाइप ऑफ स्पीकिंग। देखिए, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस को तब यूज किया जाता है कि जो भी चीज हमारे आसपास फिलहाल में हो रही है उसको बताने के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस का। ओके, देखिए यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं। रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस। आई गो टू लाइब्रेरी एवरी वीकेंड। आई एम गोइंग टू द लाइब्रेरी। Sentence 1 talks about a habitual action, whereas sentence 2 describes an action happening at the time of speaking. देखिए, sentence 1 जो है इसमें बोला जा रहा है कि मैं हर एक वीकेंड में लाइब्रेरी जाता हूँ। ओके, और सेकंड सेंटेंस में बोला जा रहा है कि मैं लाइब्रेरी जा रहा हूँ तो काम अभी हो रहा है। ओके, जो भी काम अभी हो रहा है उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। ओके, यहाँ पे देखिए, सीमा वाटर्स हर प्लांट एवरी डे। सीमा जो है हर रोज अपने प्लांट को वाटर करती है, पानी देती है। तो ये हो गया एक हैबिचुअल एक्शन। ओके, ये रोजाना का काम करती है, उसका एक हैबिट है इस चीज को करने का। अब देखिए, रिमेंबर सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब रूटीन हैबिचुअल एक्शंस, एक्शन दैट आर हैपनिंग ऑल द टाइम, नॉट पर्टिकुलरली एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग। सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस को हम लोग तब यूज करते हैं जब हम लोग हैबिचुअल एक्शंस को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो, किसी को बता रहे हो। ओके, और एक वैसा काम जो हर समय होता रहता है, हम लोग रोज उसे करते रहते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ हम लोग उसे जब हम लोग बोल रहे हैं उसी समय कर रहे हैं। ओके, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस जो है उसे यूज किया जाता है वैसे चीज़ों को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो अभी फिलहाल में हो रहे हैं। जब हम लोग बोल रहे हैं तो वो चीज हो रहा है। बी, रीड द पैसेजेस गिवन बिलो एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब्स। नीचे कुछ पैसेज दिए गया है, उसे आप लोगों को पढ़ना है और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भरना है वर्ब के करेक्ट फॉर्म से। तानवी एंड धारणा आर सिटिंग वेरी क्वाइटली इन देयर रूम। यूजुअली व्हेन दे आर अलोन दे मेक्स ए लॉट ऑफ मिस्chief, बट टुडे दे आर वेटिंग पेशेंटली for her mother who has promised to take them for fun rides in the evening. Tanvi is collecting her books and arranging them properly. Dharna is keeping her toys in the rack. She usually likes to keep them on her bed. Tanvi too prefers to keep her books on her table. But today she is arranging them on her bookshelf. Second paragraph है, Mohit goes for a morning walk daily. He gets up at 5:30 a.m. and goes for a brisk walk in park nearby. He comes back at 6:30 and leaves for his school at 7:30. Today he is not feeling well, so he is thinking of reading a book instead of going for his daily walk. Worksheet 3, non-action verbs. Read the sentences given below and tick the grammatically correct ones. Give a reason for your choice. I like दिस ड्रेस, इसमें होगा करेक्ट, और आई एम लाइकिंग दिस ड्रेस ये होगा रॉन्ग। रवि इज वांटिंग टू टॉक विथ यू ये होगा रॉन्ग, इनकरेक्ट, और रवि वांट्स टू टॉक विथ यू ये होगा करेक्ट। अगला है द रूम फ्रेशनर स्मेल्स गुड ये होगा सही, और जो अगला है द रूम फ्रेशनर इज स्मेलिंग गुड सो ये होगा गलत। ही नोज योर डैड करेक्ट, ही इज नोइंग योर डैड इनकरेक्ट। सी ऑन्स दैट हाउस करेक्ट, सी इज ऑनिंग दैट हाउस इनकरेक्ट। आई हियर सम नॉइजेस फ्रॉम द रूम करेक्ट, आई एम हियरिंग सम नॉइजेस फ्रॉम द रूम इनकरेक्ट। Remember, non-action verbs, that is, verbs that do not describe an action are not or rarely used in the continuous tense. देखिए जो नॉन एक्शन वर्ब्स होते हैं वैसे वर्ब्स जो किसी एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब नहीं करते हैं उन्हें हम लोग कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में यूज़ नहीं करते हैं और रेयरली बहुत ही कम यूज़ करते हैं। जैसे कि एग्जांपल में देखिए दिस सोप इज टेस्टिंग सोर, तो ये गलत सेंटेंस है। वहीं पे जो अगला सेंटेंस है दिस सोप टेस्टेस सोर, तो ये सही सेंटेंस है। वर्ड्स सच एज लाइक, वांट, स्मेल, नो, आउट आर नॉन एक्शन वर्ब्स। देखिए कौन कौन से वर्ब्स आपके बुक में दिए गए हैं, जैसे कि लाइक हो गया, वांट हो गया, स्मेल हो गया, नो हो गया और आउन हो गया, तो ये सब नॉन एक्शन वर्ब्स होते हैं। और भी बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ब्स हैं। अब देखिए नीचे में दिया गया है नॉन एक्शन वर्ब्स का टेबल, तो आप लोग इसे ध्यान में रखिएगा, पढ़ लीजिएगा एक बार तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कौन कौन से वर्ब्स जो है नॉन एक्शन होते हैं। अब अगला है बी, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद करेक्ट फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब, सिंपल प्रेजेंट और प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस। हम लोगों को यहाँ पर ब्लैंक्स दिया गया है, उसे हम लोगों को करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब से भरना है, जैसे कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट और प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस। पहला है तन्मय कलेक्ट्स ए लॉट ऑफ ड्राई लीव्स, इट इज हिज हॉबी। सेकेंड, तन्मय इज कलेक्टिंग ए लॉट ऑफ ड्राई लीव दिस डेज। देखिए सेकेंड वाले सेंटेंस से बोला जाए कि आजकल तन्मय बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई लीव्स को कलेक्ट कर रहा है। तो आप लोगों को पहले पूरे सेंटेंस को पढ़ना है, उसके बाद ही वर्ब्स को चुनना है। He has to prepare a botany project. Third, hotels in Goa are usually quite expensive, but now they are slashing their rate because of recession. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आज की बात हो रही है, आजकल की बात हो रही है, ओके, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करेंगे। सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स यूजुअली वर्क for 8 hours a day, but on account of current economic slowdown, they work for over 12 hours a day. Fifth, Dhruv owns his beautiful pencil box. You are looking fit these days. Are you going to aerobic classes? 7. No, I am not going to any aerobic classes. I just go for a morning walk regularly. 8. Is Manya ready for the school? No, she is having her bath. अब नीचे कुछ सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं। They have a beautiful house. They are having a lunch. Some verbs can be used as both action and non-action verbs. कुछ verbs को action verbs के तौर पे भी यूज किया जाता है और non-action verbs के तौर पे भी यूज किया जाता है। सेंटेंस 1 जो है आपके पास वो पोजीशन को दिखाता है, वहीं पर उसे हम लोग नॉन एक्शन वर्ब्स के रूप में यूज करते हैं। सेंटेंस 2 में जो हैविंग है ये सजेस्ट कर रहा है कि हैपनिंग मतलब कि जो एक्शन है वो भी हो रहा है। ओके, सो यहाँ पर हैव जो है ये एक एक्शन वर्ब हो गया। A few more verbs that can be used as both action and non-action verbs are given below. देखिए नीचे कुछ और भी वर्ब्स दिए गए हैं जिसे एक्शन और नॉन एक्शन वर्ब्स के तौर पे यूज किया जाता है, उसे आप लोगों को सेंटेंस में यूज करना है दोनों तरीकों से। थिंक, आई एम थिंकिंग टू विजिट द फेयर, ये हो जाएगा एक्शन। आई थिंक इट इज नॉट गुड, नॉन एक्शन। फील, द डॉक्टर इज फीलिंग द नर्व ऑफ राजू, सी नाउ फील्स बेटर। टेस्ट, सी इज टेस्टिंग द डिश, एक्शन। This mango tastes sour, non-action. Smell, Rina is smelling the rose, action. It smells bad, non-action. Worksheet 5. A. Fill in the blanks with simple past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Long ago, there was a forest full of trees laden with ripe, juicy guavas, mangoes, apples, and pears. But the birds who lived there were unhappy. They wanted to eat grains. One morning, the birds saw lot of grains scattered on the ground. They sat down to eat the grains. Suddenly, 2 bird catchers rushed out from the nearby bushes and threw a huge net on the birds feeding on the grains. Remember, simple past is used to express an action that happened in the past. Simple past को वैसे actions को express करने में यूज किया जाता है जो पहले हो चुका है, past में हो चुका है. B. Fill in the blanks with past continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. It was raining heavily and Manan was sneezing continuously. Mother was making herbal tea for him. I was trying to concentrate on my work, but Manan's loud sneezing was disturbing me. As a child, Smriti was always complaining about one thing or the other. Third, the day was getting brighter and Shruti was still sleeping in her bed. She was in fact snoring. The minister was delivering his speech, but people were hardly listening. Some of them were talking to one another while others were simply enjoying a quick nap. Clearly, the speech was not interesting at all. Remember, past continuous tense is used to talk about the actions that were in progress at the point of time in the past. अब हम लोग आगे देखते हैं वर्कशीट 6. Read the following. I painted my room yesterday. I was painting my room at 5 PM yesterday. सेंटेंस 1 में जो एक्शन है वो पास्ट में कंप्लीट हो चुका है और सेंटेंस 2 में जो एक्शन है पेंटिंग का, पेंट करने का, वो पास्ट में किसी समय में प्रोग्रेस में था. ओके, रिमेंबर, सिंपल पास्ट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस ए कंप्लीटेड पास्ट एक्शन. सिंपल पास्ट को एक पूरा पास्ट एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करने में यूज किया जाता है. वहीं पर पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस को ऐसे एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करने में यूज किया जाता है जो कि पास्ट में किसी समय हो रहा होता है. These two tenses are often used together to show that one action was going on when another action happened. देखिए, ये दो सेंटेंसेस को अक्सर एक साथ यूज किया जाता है एक्शंस को, एक एक्शन को दिखाने के लिए कि वो चल रहा था, ओके, और दूसरा हो चुका है. B. Fill in the blanks using the correct tense, either simple past or past continuous of the verbs given in the brackets. Ekta dropped her purse accidentally while she was boarding the metro. I was telling a story to my daughter when the guest arrived. Third, when the thief realized that the policeman was looking at him, he ran away. Fourth, just as I went out of the office, it started raining. Fifth, my fever was getting worse, so I went to a doctor. Sixth, Jyoti fractured her hand while she was holidaying in Jaipur. Seventh, I saw the Eiffel Tower when I was staying in Paris. Eighth, when the principal came into class, everybody was making mischief. The girls were singing songs loudly and the boys were making paper balls. Seventh, fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. First, my parents have agreed to send me to the picnic. Second, the teacher has called my parents for a meeting. Third, Vikram has got a new computer. He can work much faster now. Fourth, Rahul has fallen from the stairs. We must take him to a doctor. Fifth, prices of basic commodities has risen sharply over the last 2 months. Although the government has taken a lot of measures to control the situation, people don't look satisfied. Sixth, have you found your mobile phone? No. Have you seen it anywhere? 7. I have finished my homework. Now I can come with you to the mall. 8. I have stayed in this hotel twice. It has really nice rooms. Remember, present perfect tense is used to express an action recently completed, an action that was completed in the past but whose effect can be felt at the time of speaking. देखिए, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज किया जाता है वैसे कामों को, ऐसे एक्शंस को रिप्रेजेंट करने में, एक्सप्रेस करने में जो कि भी हाल ही फिलहाल में ख़त्म हुआ हो, कंप्लीट हुआ हो. और एक ऐसा एक्शन जो कि पास्ट में कंप्लीट हो चुका है लेकिन उसका इफेक्ट बोलने के समय जब कोई बोल रहा होता है उसका इफेक्ट उस समय फील किया जाए तो वहाँ पर भी हम लोग प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का ही यूज़ करते हैं। वर्कशीट 8 सिंपल पास्ट और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट। रीड द फॉलोइंग। इसे आप लोग क्वेश्चंस पढ़ लीजिएगा। हम लोग सीधा बी में चलते हैं। Some verbs in the sentences given below have been used in wrong forms. Underline them and write the correct forms. One has been done for you. देखिए नीचे जो sentences दिए गए हैं इसमें wrong forms है verb का। ओके, उसमें आप लोगों को अंडरलाइन करना है और करेक्ट फॉर्म को लिखना है। एक आपके लिए करके दिया गया है। I have met him yesterday. I met him yesterday. I knew him since childhood. I have known him since his childhood. Various new inventions and discoveries by our scientists made our lives extremely comfortable. Various new inventions and discoveries by our scientists have made our lives extremely comfortable. The Delhi Metro made commuting a comfortable experience for the people. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग लिखिएगा द दिल्ली मेट्रो हैज मेड कम्यूटिंग ए कंफर्टेबल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द पीपल। मैंने पूरा सेंटेंस यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा है। Sixth है the invention of stethoscope has actually happened accidentally। तो इसका हो जाएगा the invention of stethoscope happened accidentally। Seventh, the state government built 7 new flyovers recently to tackle the increasing traffic। The officials hope these will save at least 30 minutes of travel time। तो हो जाएगा the state government has built 7 new flyovers recently to tackle the increasing traffic. The officials would save at least 30 minutes of time travel. C. Fill in the blanks with either simple past or present perfect of the verbs given in the brackets. Breaking news. The famous industrialist Mr. Kapoor has donated 50 lakh to an orphanage. Mr. Kapoor has handed over the check to the manager of orphanage this morning. Mr. Kapoor made many such donations in the past. Mr. Sharma of Delhi has become the first person to walk through the entire nation on foot. It took him 4 years to complete this feat. Third, the government has declared Monday a public holiday on account of sudden demise of the minister. The minister died of a heart attack. Worksheet 9. Complete the following using the past perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. I had promised my baby sister that I would take her to the children's park if she behaved nicely throughout the day. When I reached back in the evening, I was pleasantly surprised to see that my sister had cleaned her room perfectly. She had put her books in the book rack. She had changed the bedsheet. She had finished her homework and had even learnt her science lesson. Mother told me that she had helped me in the kitchen. 2. I was impressed since she had kept her word. I decided to keep my promise too. Remember, past perfect tense is used to talk about an action completed before a given moment in the past. When I reached home, action 2. She had already cleaned the room, action 1. Worksheet 10 simple past or past perfect. Read the following. I painted my room. I had painted my room before the guests arrived. B. Complete the following story using either simple past or past perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Brave Chuni. Chuni was a very clever girl who always studied hard and obeyed her elders. One day when her mother had gone to the market, Chuni sat down to do her homework. Suddenly he smelled smoke. When she looked out of the window, she saw that there was a fire in her friend's house. Her friend's family had gone out of station. Chuni thought fast. She remembered that her teacher taught her a lesson on useful services such as the police station, fire brigade, hospital. She knew the phone number of the fire brigade well because her daddy had made her remember these numbers. Chuni quickly called the fire station and requested for help. The fire engineer arrived quickly and put out the fire. Everybody in the neighborhood praised Chuni. Worksheet 11. Read the following. We have been waiting for the bus for 2 hours now. Why has the bus not reached yet? Rohit has been looking for a job since January. Remember, present perfect continuous is used to express an action that began in the past, is in progress at the time of speaking and will continue for some time in the future. देखिए, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को वैसे एक्शंस को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है जो पास्ट में, भूत में शुरू हुआ, भूतकाल में शुरू हुआ और अभी वो प्रोग्रेस में है। जब हम लोग बोल रहे हैं तो वो काम अभी चल रहा है और वो फ्यूचर में भी कुछ समय तक चलता रहेगा। B. Observe your friends around you. Now write a few things that they have been doing. First, Tina has been talking to Rakhi since the first period. 2. Rakhi has been reading for 2 hours. Third, our class has been studying for 2 periods. Rima has been speaking since last 6 hours. Raju has been eating since first period. We have been playing since the third period. Worksheet 12. B. Complete the following with either present continuous or present perfect continuous of the verbs given in the brackets. He is writing a book these days. He has been writing it for over an year now. Second, please go inside the manager's office. He has been waiting for you since morning. Third, social evils such as child marriage and dowry system have been harming our country for centuries. Fourth, they have been living here since 2004. Fifth, the tenant who is living here these days is a journalist. Sixth, the company has been winning this trophy every year since 2011. Seventh, the company has been competing for this trophy for the third consecutive time. 8. I am playing a lot of chess these days. 9. Deepa is preparing for her recitation competition. She has been rehearsing for more than 3 hours. 10th. She has been working with this company since January. She is working as a senior software engineer. Worksheet 13. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, वर्कशीट 13 में वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है। ओके, हम लोग सीधा वर्कशीट 14 में देखते हैं। रीड द पैसेजेस गिवन बिलो वेयर अ पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस ए बैंक मैनेजर टू लेंड इन सम मनी फॉर हिज फूड जॉइंट। कंप्लीट द पैसेज बाय फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विद एप्रोप्रिएट फ्यूचर टाइम फॉर्म्स। You see, sir, I am going to open a food joint in the city, but it will take me a lot of money to start it. I shall buy a piece of land and construct it. Then I shall get it furnished. Further, I will need some chefs and waiters. It will be a huge investment. Can you please help me by providing me with some loan? I will pay it back in installments. I am sure this food joint shall be a huge success. It is going to have Italian and continental food on its menu, which is attract the younger generation. It will be one of its kind in the city. I shall feel obliged if you sanction me a loan of 50 lakhs rupees for this purpose. Worksheet 15. Future continuous. Be a fortune teller. Thus predict what the following people will be doing in near future and become a successful fortune teller. One example has been done for you. Maria, a typist. Maria will be typing official letters. Tom, a cook. Tom will be cooking food. Mr. Kingsley, CEO. Mr. Kingsley will be writing report. Harry will be entering a data. Martha, a doctor. Martha will be taking a round. Lenin, a student. Lenin will be going to his school. Students round in hospital होता, okay? Remember, future continuous deals with actions that will be going on at some point of time in future. Worksheet 16. Future perfect tense. इसे आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा स्टूडेंट्स। What changes do you think will have come in the following? One example has been done for you. Buses. I think buses will have stopped plying on the roads. Public air service will have taken their place. Roads. I think roads will have been repaired well. Houses. I think houses will have been made 20 stored. Schools. I think no school will have left. Children will have their own mechanical teachers. Books. I think computers will have replaced books. Traffic signals. I think traffic signals will have been computers attached to them. Do it yourself. Integrated detective diary. Given below there is a diary of detective who is trying to solve a murder mystery. Read the diary and then complete it by filling the blanks with correct forms of verbs. Thursday, June 3, 11:30 p.m. It's a case of murder. The motive seems to be something more than just robbery. When I reached the scene, the police already had started investigating. Two constables examining the furniture and other articles for the house very carefully. They obviously looked for some fingerprints, which gives them a lead in the case. One constable took pictures of the scene, another one collected blood samples for testing. I decided to examine things in different way. I went to the room and examined the chair where Mr. XYZ was found dead. The murderer has attacked him for the back with a knife. At that time, Mr. XYZ was reading a book. The police had already recovered the knife from the roof. The murderer cleaned it thoroughly and placed it under the pillow. I think he was looking for some important papers and not just money, as he disturbed the book rack and threw all the files on the floor. What makes the case most interesting is the fact that the door was locked from inside and there were no fingerprints at all. Second, complete the following by filling in the appropriate tenses of the verbs given in the brackets. Surbhi was the divine cow of the Devas and she lived in heaven. One day Indra found Surbhi crying. He went to her and asked her affectionately, "Why are you, my dear Surbhi?" Surbhi said, "Oh Lord, all the bulls and cows who live on the earth are my children. Look at them. They work so hard to plug the fields. Their sufferings under the yoke pain me. It makes me cry." Lord Indra was sad to hear this. He thought of a plan. He immediately summoned the clouds. My mighty clouds drenched the earth with a powerful downpour. The cattle on the earth are suffering because of multiplying needs of humans. They never let their cattle rest until it rains heavily. The clouds immediately caused a great downpour. It rained for many days and the people on the earth were unable to do any work on the field. So the poor bullock would get some rest at last and Surbhi was happy. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हमारा सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। मैंने आपको एक ही वीडियो में पूरे चैप्टर का सॉल्यूशन दे दिया। यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन में प्रेस करके और प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशनल वीडियोस लाता रहता हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो को अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ अधिक से अधिक शेयर कीजिए। और स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने अदर सब्जेक्ट की वीडियोस भी अपलोड की हैं, जैसे साइंस, SST, हिंदी, इंग्लिश। यदि आप उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखे हैं तो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारे सब्जेक्ट का प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक दे दिया है, तो आप वहाँ से सारे सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोस को देख सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।